Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I'm your math teachers from IYS schools. So the instructions are: don't raise hand during lecture, ask questions at the end of the lecture in chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during lecture. So these are the instructions which you have to follow. Now, today we are going to take a start of our sixth lesson, and this is our new chapter, chapter number 12, the triangle. So, topics of the day are definition of triangle, vertices, sides, angles, and sum of angles. Classification of triangle according to its sides and angles. Now, so our first objective is the definition of triangle. What is triangle? A figure bounded by three straight lines is called triangle. Look at this shape. How it's look like? It's look like a triangle. A figure bounded by three straight lines. This is one straight line. This is second straight line. And this one is third straight line. So a figure which is bounded or which is joined by three straight lines is called triangle. Now, the components of triangle, that how many components of triangle are. There are three basic components of triangle: sides, angle, and vertices. Sides, angle, and vertex. Now, one by one, I am sharing that what is vertices of triangle. So, what is vertices of triangle? The common points of the line segment are called vertices of triangle. Common point means the corner of the triangle. This is the first corner. Look at this one. A represents the first corner, the first vertex of triangle. B represents the second corner or second common point. We can say that this is the second corner or second vertex of triangle, and this one is the third vertex of triangle. So A, B and C represents the three vertex of triangle. Vertex means the common point. What is the common point? The corner of any triangle. This is the corner of triangle. This is the corner of triangle. And this is the corner of triangle. So how many corners are there in each triangle? There are three vertex in each triangle. A, B and C. All this A, B and C represents the three vertex of triangle. Now, sides of triangle. What is sides of triangle? The segments AB, BC and CA are the three sides of triangle. In the previous slide, we have seen that what are the vertex. Now in this, what are the sides? So you can see that from first corner to the second corner, this is known as sides. It's simple. We can say that from A to B. A, B represent the first side of triangle. From B to C represents the second side of triangle. And from A to C or C to A represents the third side of triangle. And we represent the side by this bar, straight bar, AB, and then this bar, BC, this bar, AC, this bar. So the sides of triangle represents like this. What are the sides of triangle? A and B. Both are the side of triangle. Or we can simply say that from one point to another point is known as one side of triangle. From another point to the next point is known as the second side of triangle. Now, angle of triangle. Okay, in each triangle we have three vertices, three sides, and also we have three angles, and that is known as angle A, angle B, angle C. These angles may also be written as this. This sign represents angle. This look like a less than sign. This represents the angle of triangle. We always use this symbol when we represent the angle of any triangle. Now, look at this picture. This is a triangle and we have three angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. How we will write? Look at this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So these are the three angles of triangle. Now, sum of angle of triangle, that it means that if we sum all the angles, so what is the sum of angle of triangle? The sum of measure of the three angles of triangle is always equals to 180. It means when we add the three angles all together, so it is always equals to 180. Angle A, angle B and angle C always equals to 180 degree. Look at this picture. This is angle A, angle B, angle C. When we add all together, so it's always become to 180 degree. Like let's suppose that angle A is of 60, angle B is of 60, angle C is of 60. So the sum of all three angles become 180. Okay. Now, classification of triangle. We can classify triangle into two parts. First one is according to angles. So according to angle, we have three types of angles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Now the second part is according to sides. According to sides, we have three sides of triangle. First one is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. So the classification of triangle is divided into two main parts, according to angle and according to its size. And both have further three types. Now, one by one, we will discuss. According to angle, our first angle is acute angle triangle. So what is acute angle triangle? An acute angle triangle is a triangle with all the three sides acute angle. Or in a simple words, we say that a triangle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle triangle. Angle whose measurement is whose angle is less than 90 is known as acute angle triangle. Let's take the example 60 degree. 60 degree angle is known as acute angle. 50-degree angle is known as acute angle. So all the angles which are less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. An acute angle triangle looks like this. This point represents 90-degree angle. Less than 90 is known as acute, and we always draw acute angle in this direction. Less than 90. So, triangle less than 90 is called acute angle triangle. Now, the next one, right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle with one right angle. In this, we have only one right angle, and the right angle is always equals to 90 degree. The value of right angle never change. It always of 90 degree. Or a triangle equals to 90 degrees called right angle triangle. And the right angle triangle look like this. The complete and the accurate shape. Right angle, this represents right angle. This point represent 90-degree angle. It always look like this. Its shape never be changed. Okay. Obtuse angle triangle. An obtuse angle triangle is a triangle with one obtuse angle. Or in simple words, we can say that angle less than 180 is called obtuse angle triangle. The starting point of obtuse angle is from 90 and the ending point is 180. So the angle between 90 and 180 is called obtuse angle triangle. The starting point of obtuse angle is 90 and the ending is 180. So the angle between 90 and 180 like 100 degree, 99 degree, okay, 120 degree. So these all are the angles which are between 90 and 180. So these are known as obtuse angle triangle. An obtuse angle triangle look like this. This is 90 degree. Angle less than 90 is acute and the angle greater than 90 always represents like this. The direction of obtuse angle is the left side from 90 degree. Acute, right side of 90 degree and obtuse, left side of 90 degree. So this is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now, so these all are the three angles of triangle. Now the second classification is sides of triangle. So the sides of triangle, we have three sides of triangle. All of you know that we have three sides of triangle. So the first side of triangle is scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? A triangle in which no two sides are congruent in length. A triangle in which no two sides are congruent in length is called scalene triangle. Look at this picture. We have three different measurements in this picture. Number one is 15 centimeter, number two is 12 centimeter, and number three is 7 centimeter. The measurement of all three sides are different. Okay, here congruent means same. Congruent means same. A triangle in which no two sides are same. Look at this one. No two sides are same. All three sides are different. So this type of triangle is called scalene triangle in which no two sides are same in length. These all are lengths 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So all this length of triangle are different, are not same. So this is called scalene triangle. Note down the important points. The important point in a scalene triangle is this: no two sides are congruent. It means that no two sides are same in length. Okay, now the next one is the second side of triangle is isosceles. An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal in length. Look at this picture. Okay. In this triangle, we have two same sides, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So the definition of isosceles triangle is that a triangle in which two sides are same. If any two sides, it is not necessary that opposite two sides are same, parallel two sides are same. Any two sides like 6, 6, 8, 8, 7, 7. So if two sides are same, so the triangle is known as isosceles triangle. But it is necessary that any one side should be changed like this. 8 centimeters is different in length and 6 are same. So these type of triangle are called isosceles triangles. Now next one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means equal. Equilateral means equal. Equal in all sense, like equals in length, equal in angle. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are congruent. Congruent means same. So that type of triangle in which we have all three side equals. Like in this picture, we can see that all sides are equal in measurement, equal in length. 20 meter, 20 meter and 20 meter. All three sides are equal in length. So this type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Now I'm sharing the home task. First, kindly note down the home task. First, you have to make the title page, then unit number, and after all this, start it from the basic definitions of triangle which we have discussed in the slides. So the basic definitions are triangle, sides, vertices, angles of triangle, and sum of angles. And the second thing which you have done is that draw a mind map of classification of triangle. How you will draw it? Simply use 2 pages for this mind map. The first heading, write down the first heading classification of triangle, then divide the classification of triangle into two parts. First one is according to its sides and the second one is according to its angle. Then according to its sides, write down the three sides and according to its angle, write down the three angles. So the next is exercise 12.1, page number 165. What you have done from this exercise? You have to do question number 1 in your fair copy, and the question number 1 is filling the blanks by selecting correct answer, and question number 2, fill in the blanks. So this is your home task which you have done in your fair copy. Now students, kindly take a screenshot of your home task or note down if you are noting. Note it very properly. Do all work in your fair copy. Students, if you have any query, we will discuss it at the last 10 minutes. Okay, after a few minutes again, I will show you the home task. Look at this slide. Classification. How you will draw mind map in your copy? First, write down the heading of classification of triangle like this, the main heading. Then, okay, you can do it according to the shape of mind map, according to the look of mind map. Now, first classification of triangle, then divide it into two parts. This is the first section according to angle. After this is a subheading. According to angle is the subheading. Main heading is classification of triangle. Then according to angle is the subheading, and these are the further parts of according to angle. This is the first section. Now draw the second section. Subheading is according to its sides, and then write down scalene triangle. Okay. Okay. One more thing is that when you are writing the definitions like this, if you are writing the definition of triangle, so triangle is the main Okay, where we are? We are on. Okay, we have done this classification of triangle mind map. So what you have done in your fair copy, first you have to write the main heading of triangle, then the definition of triangle, and after this use interleave page for draw the shape of triangle. Always use interleave page for any shape of triangle like components. Okay, components of triangle, vertices, whatever it is. The next one is, this is very important, you have to draw in your fair copy, components of triangle. How many components are there? Three components: sides, angle, and vertices. So you have to draw it on interleave page and label all the components of triangle. The next one is this definition you have done with diagram. Now sides of triangle, definition, its shape, all the points of sides of triangle, definition on line page and the shape on interleave page, then angle of triangle. Draw this picture. When you will write the definition of angle of triangle, use this picture. Sum of angle of triangle. I have already discussed this thing, that the sum of angle of triangle is always equals to 180. It means that angle A, angle B and angle C, the sum of all the angle is always equals to 180. It is never less than or it is never greater than like 190, 200, 300. Not this. It always equals to 180. Okay, students, do all the work in your fair copy. Now it's time to wind up the class. Inshallah, we will continue it tomorrow.